Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. You go to spot for things tech. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our updates. Today, we've got a super helpful tutorial for all you Windows 11 users out there. We're diving into how to add apps to your desktop, making your most used programs just a click away. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's see how to do it. But before going through the process, there are two types of icon that you can see on a desktop. One is the default icon like this PC and recycle bin, and the other one is the application that you have installed on your computer. But you're missing out your default icons like this PC and recycle bin and others, then it is very easy to add. Simply go ahead and click on your start button and then go to the settings and click on personalization. Then click on themes. Now click on desktop icon settings, and from here just make sure to check mark all the desktop icons you need. And after selecting that one, just go ahead and click on apply and OK. And as expected, your icons will be on the desktop. But if you want to add an application to your desktop as a shortcut, then there is another way to do it. Now simply head over to your start button and then click on all apps, and it's going to show you all the applications that you've had in your laptop or PC. So from here it is very easy to create an icon on a desktop. Select the application that you want to create for. Now for example, I'm gonna add a shortcut of Disney Plus. So to simply do that, just drag and drop application from here and leave it on the desktop. And the icon will be added to your desktop. And following the same way, you can add multiple icons to your desktop. And those are some simple ways to add your desktop in Windows 11. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Plus, if you're looking for more tips and tricks, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.